Introducing A.O. Smith's innovative industry-leading line of water heaters, designed to supply you with soothing hot water while giving you total control over your water heater's performance. That's because with A.O. Smith's Signature Series Smart Electric Water Heaters, you'll experience the precision and control of A.O. Smith's ICOM Smart connectivity, which means you can manage your water heater with just the tap of your thumb. Plus, with A.O. Smith's Signature Series Smart Electric Water Heaters, you'll enjoy the added benefit of our Leak Watch and Leak Shield capabilities, which notifies you at the first sign of water leakage, so you can stop messes before it's too late. So harness the power of your hot water with A.O. Smith's Signature Series Smart Electric Water Heaters. Available exclusively at Lowe's.